the weekend. So, alam niya na naman, mamamasyal na naman tayo today. So, I'm on my way to Shihu Station again. I'm gonna meet my friends. Friends ko na sobrang gala. As you can see, it's very hot today. Actually, iba yung init dito. Yung humid talaga. Wala masyadong hangin. Oh, I'm gonna show you the grocery I go to. So, this is the Carrefour. So, this grocery is 24 hours. This is where you load your YoYo card. So, mine is a Hello Kitty YoYo card that I can use. Main station. Sobrang kahagard dito kasi ang daming levels. So, nakakalito siya actually kahit kami na 1 year na, pero now we're at Taipei City Mall. Ito yung parang Green Hills nila. Ayan. So, may mga souvenirs. There. Ay, souvenirs. And mga abubo. So, sobrang laki nito. May tendency mawala. Ay, oh, nag-holding hands sila. Oh. Walang forever. So for souvenirs, we go here. Station. Tignan nyo, super dami ng tao. So, apparently, pag weekends, matambay lang sila dito, bibili ng food, and then, upo na sila dyan sa floor. Ay, shopping district. Ayan. So, nandyan sila mga Dior, Chanel. Official Budol Queen is buying another watch. With one store, we're off to the next store, which is Net. So ito yung parang bench nila here. So, our goal today is uuwi kami na bankrupt kami. sale na naman yung Zara. So, tingin-tingin tayo. Ito yung aming shopping trip. Walang maganda sa Zara. So, saan naman kami next?
Sparkle is silver. Yes, I want to. Okay, go. Okay. Okay, have a seat.
Station. I'm finally on my way home. Haggard na si ate girl nyo. Kasi naman, super init na day. Kaya hindi kami masyado din naka-vlog-vlog. Kasi yung araw super tirik. So, see you on my next vlog.